In my mother's womb, you formed me with your hands, known and loved by you. Before I took a breath, and when I doubted, Lord, remind me I'm wonderfully made. 'Cause you're an artist and a potter, from the canvas and the clay. And you make all things work together for my future and for my good. And you make all things work together for your glory and for your name, yeah. And there's a healing light just beyond the clouds. Though I've walked through fire, oh, I see clearly now, and I know nothing has been wasted, no failure or mistake. 'Cause you're an artist and a potter, I'm the canvas and the clay. And you make all things work together for my future and for my good. You make all things work together for your glory and for your name, yeah. Oh yes you do. And when I die,